So what's up, guys? I am something. I am the most abundant element on earth. You can find me in air and water. Without me, human life as we know it will cease to exist. What am I? Oxygen. In this lesson, we will discuss the most popular non-metal, oxygen. We will look at its occurrence and some facts about oxygen. To start with, oxygen is the 8th element in the periodic table, indicating that it has 8 electrons. It has the symbol O and has an electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It was first discovered in the year 1772 by Swedish chemist Carl Scheele, but was first published as an element by English philosopher Joseph Priestley in 1774. Priestley, however, did not realize that oxygen was an element. As a matter of fact, he called it dephlogisticated air. It was until the year 1777 that another chemist, this time a French scientist, Antoine Lavoisier, described the properties of the elements and named it oxygen. At that time, Lavoisier thought that all acids contained oxygen, so he named the element oxygen, which means acidifying constituent. Not until the late 18th century did we find out that there were some acids that did not contain oxygen. Now, just like we said earlier, oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth. It is found in almost every naturally occurring form of matter because of its very high reactivity and readiness to accept electrons. Oxygen occupies about 21% of air by volume. It is only surpassed by nitrogen in air. The oxygen present in air sustains human and animals because we breathe in oxygen. It is used by our body to oxidize food substances in order to release energy. Also, oxygen is the primary substance in air that supports burning. In fact, without oxygen in air, we would not be able to sustain the flame on a lighter. Oxygen is also the primary substance in water. By percentage mass, oxygen is 88.9% of water. So, you see, since water is the most abundant compound on Earth, then oxygen in turn is the most abundant element on Earth. It is also present in its combined form in many substances like limestone, sand, acids, metallic trioxocarbonate oxides of metals, and even naturally occurring organic compounds. Before we conclude, it is important to note that oxygen occurs naturally as a covalent diatomic molecule, O2. In subsequent lessons, we will delve deeper into these very important elements. For now, remember the following. Oxygen was first discovered by Scheele and Priestley, but was named and described by Lavoisier. Oxygen is present in air and enables the processes of respiration and combustion. Oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth as it is present in water and other inorganic and organic compounds. I trust that you understood this lesson. I'll see you soon.